Who fixes the machine when it stops? Who checks the equipment every day? And who makes sure everything runs smoothly in the factory? Welcome to maintenance jobs. In every factory, a strong maintenance team is key to keeping production moving. From the technician who repairs machines, to the engineer who improves systems, and the supervisor who manages the work, each role is important. In this lesson, you will learn to identify different roles in a maintenance team and understand what each person does. Let's get started.
Hi, Mai. Today we talk about maintenance team roles.
Hi Nam, yes, I want to understand the maintenance team.
A maintenance team has many people with different jobs.
What jobs are in a maintenance team?
We have technician, engineer, and supervisor.
What does a technician do?
A technician checks and repair machines.
So you are a technician, right?
Yes, I am a maintenance technician.
What about an engineer?
An engineer plans and improves the system.
Does the engineer fix machines too?
Sometimes, but mostly they design solutions.
I see. What does a supervisor do?
A supervisor manages the maintenance team.
So the supervisor gives instructions?
Yes, and checks the work.
Is there an operator in the team?
The operator is not in the maintenance team, but works with us.
What does an operator do?
The operator runs a machine.
Do they report problems?
Yes, they tell the technician about issues.
That is teamwork.
Yes, good teamwork is important.
Is there a manager too?
Yes, the manager controls the whole department.
What does the manager do?
The manager plans work and makes decisions.
Does the manager talk to the supervisor?
Yes, they communicate every day.
What is your daily job as a technician?
I inspect and repair equipment.
Do you work alone?
No, I work with other technicians.
Do you help each other?
Yes, we support the team.
What happens when a machine breaks?
The operator reports to the supervisor.
Then what?
The supervisor assigns a technician.
So you get a task?
Yes, I receive a job from the supervisor.
Do you report back?
Yes, after I repair the machine.
That is clear communication.
Communication is very important.
Do you use reports?
Yes, we write a maintenance report.
What is in the maintenance report?
It includes problem and repair details.
Does the engineer read the report?
Yes, the engineer uses it to improve systems.
So every role is important.
Exactly. Every role supports production.
What skills does a technician need?
A technician needs technical skills.
And communication skills?
Yes, communication is also important.
What about safety?
Everyone must follow safety rules.
Does the supervisor check safety?
Yes, the supervisor ensures safety.
Do you wear safety gear?
Yes, always when working.
Like helmet and gloves?
Yes, and safety shoes.
I understand better now.
Good. The maintenance team works together.
Each role has a job.
Yes, from technician to manager.
And the operator supports too.
Correct. Everyone supports production.
What is the goal of the maintenance team?
The goal is to keep machines running.
And reduce problems?
Yes, and improve efficiency.
Thank you, Nam.
You're welcome, Mai.
I learned many roles today.
Great. Keep practicing.
I will talk to the technician at work.
That's a good idea.
I want to understand the team better.
You will learn more every day.
See you tomorrow.
See you, Mai.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good day at work. Great work today. Now you can identify the different roles in a maintenance team. You learned what a technician, engineer, supervisor, and manager do, and how each role supports smooth production. Remember, good teamwork and clear communication help keep machines running and reduce problems. Keep practicing these words and try to use them at work. In the next lesson, we will learn about tools and equipment used in maintenance. See you next time.